we're just leaving on the first day of our voyage to Sandbanks, which will probably take like 3 days.
3 days to get there? Something like that, yeah. We're going to go to Toronto today first. Anchor off of Hamlan's beach. So we're going to cross through the lift bridge. So we'll film that so we don't run out of battery power. We'll cut the sail to there. We've got light winds today, 4 knots, gusts to 7, 8 knots. And then later in the day we've got 7 knots gusting to 10, 11 knots. So it's not too much wind at all, but we should get there, I think. And I think we're going to have mostly a reach, not a reach, sorry, a broadside, what's that called now? Broad reach? I think a slight downwind. Yeah, so it should be kind of a favorable winds today for us. Shouldn't be too much tacking. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, I am.
You are too? A little bit more left. The wind's shifting here because of the point. It's okay. So just keep it a little bit left where you have it. As we slow down, we're going to tack up that way. Well, we could tack now if you wanted.
2, 1, tacking or
Driving.
Driving that way towards the bridge. Driving.
Keep driving.
Oh, keep driving?
No, not yet. I think so, yeah.
Alright, so we're here at the bridge.
We're motor sailing here the last bit just to get into position. Okay, let's roll up our sails. Sit down, David, please.
Okay, I'm sitting down.
Yep.
We're turning a lot.
Yeah. Excuse me, you gotta get on the other side? Other side.
Hey, there's a green buoy.
What's that?
There's a green buoy behind us.
Yeah, are we gonna hit it or are we good?
We're good, but it's pretty close.
Yeah, you to the left, please.
Okay.
Look at the old Lancaster bomber. Film it. That's the old Lancaster bomber. Canadian history right there. it's sometimes you don't get the wind that you want. We've got to drop the 2 knots. So we put the spinnaker up to try to get as much as we can. It's a dead downwind for us right now. So that's about as fast as we're going to go right now with 2 knots of wind. So anyways, it's a cool sail, the big bumblebee. And I don't have a spinnaker pole. I'm still working on the attachments and I have to sand it down. So I'm just running this with two lines. So while it's down, I can do that. Oh, I see I got a bit of a tear in my sail there. I'm going to have to tape that up. I think that we're on a collision course here. But I'm going to turn out of his way and give to him because I don't want to take any chances. Port credit. Just crossed the port credit derby, I think that's what it is, because these guys all went out at exactly the same time, and now they're all on the same tack coming back, so they're probably following a bit of a race pattern. Oh yeah, there's the buoy. You can see the buoy way out there, so they had to go around that buoy. So we're cutting right through the middle of their racetrack. On our way to Toronto. Made it to Toronto. We're going swimming. We're going to try the goggles and the flippers. See how that goes. On your head. That should be loose. Cold one. Cold. Very lazy day sailing today. The view, sunrise over Toronto. I don't know if you can see Toronto from that angle. There's the CN Tower. We parked out, we